A female pileated woodpecker is busy looking for insects when she becomes aware of a male in the treetops above. It's spring, so it's time for mating. She keeps looking for him, and then she puts herself in a position to let him know that she's ready to mate. She waits for him for a while, and then here he comes. He's a little wary because there are red-tailed hawks and eagles in this area, but his crest is fully engorged, and he knows that it's time to mate too. Doesn't take long. Maybe it's coitus interruptus. Maybe he's too afraid that the hawks and eagles will come down and grab them in their intimate moment. So he goes back to looking for insects while she waits for him patiently. She's still ready. She's looking for hawks and eagles too, but then decides she might as well join him on a dinner date. And then he decides that it's just too risky. He's looking around, then takes off. "Where did you go, my love?" She goes back to looking for insects.